If you don't get 7 to 9 hours of sleep every single night, you are slowly damaging your brain, weakening your immune system, and shortening your lifespan. In this video, I am going to show you exactly why. Let's begin. Number 1. Your brain. Inside your brain, there is a system called the glymphatic system. Think of it as your brain's cleaning crew. During the day, your brain produces waste products, including a protein called beta-amyloid, which is linked to memory problems. When you sleep deeply, your brain cells shrink slightly. This allows cerebrospinal fluid to wash through and remove that waste. It is your brain taking out the trash. But if you do not sleep 7 to 9 hours, that cleaning process is incomplete. Imagine not taking your trash out for weeks. That is what you are doing to your brain when you consistently cut sleep short. Over time, this increases your risk of cognitive decline. When you say, "I will sleep later," what you are really saying is, "I will clean my brain later," and the brain does not negotiate. Number 2, your heart. Sleep deprivation keeps stress hormones like cortisol elevated. When cortisol stays high, your blood pressure rises, your heart rate increases, your blood vessels become inflamed. Research consistently shows that people who regularly sleep less than 6 hours per night have a significantly higher risk of heart disease and stroke. Your heart is not just affected by what you eat, it is affected by how you sleep. Number 3, your immune system. Sleep is when your body produces cytokines, which are proteins that help your body fight infections and inflammations. When you shorten your sleep, you reduce your body's ability to defend itself. Studies show that people who sleep less than 6 hours are far more likely to catch viral infections compared to those who sleep 7 hours or more. If you are always sick, always run down, it might not be your diet, it might be your sleep. Number 4, your hormones and weight. Sleep directly regulates 2 hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin tells you, "I am hungry." Leptin tells you, "I am full." When you do not sleep enough, ghrelin goes up and leptin goes down. You feel hungrier and less satisfied. Add fatigue to that, and you crave quick energy, sugar, processed food, high-calorie snacks. Lack of sleep is not just making you tired. It is quietly pushing you toward weight gain and metabolic problems. Number 5, your mental health. There is a part of your brain called the amygdala, which is your emotional alarm system. When you are sleep-deprived, the amygdala becomes overactive. At the same time, the prefrontal cortex, which is your rational decision maker, becomes less effective. What does that mean? It makes you become more reactive, more irritable, more anxious. Small problems feel like big disasters. Strong research links chronic sleep deprivation to increased risk of depression and anxiety. Sometimes when someone says, "I am just moody," it is not personality, it is sleep debt. Number 6, your performance. Many people sacrifice sleep to get more work done, but here is the irony. After about 17 to 19 hours of wakefulness, your cognitive performance begins to resemble someone who is legally intoxicated. Sleep deprivation slows reaction time, reduces attention, weakens memory, and impairs decision-making. You think you are gaining hours, but you are losing quality. You are working more, but performing worse. So how much do you really need? For most adults, 7 to 9 hours per night. If you consistently get less, your risk for these problems increases significantly. Here is a simple framework to protect your sleep starting tonight. 1. Fix your schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Your circadian rhythm thrives on consistency. 2. Protect the last hour before bed. No intense work. No emotional arguments. Reduce screen exposure. Blue light suppresses melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep. 3. Create a sleep environment. Cool room, dark room, quiet room. Your bedroom should signal rest, not productivity. 4. Respect caffeine. Caffeine has a half-life of 5 to 7 hours. That coffee at 5 p.m. is still in your system at midnight. 5. Stop glorifying exhaustion. Being tired is not a badge of honor. It is a warning sign. If you do not get 7 to 9 hours of sleep consistently, you are increasing your risk of memory problems, stressing your heart, weakening your immune system, destabilizing your mood, and reducing your lifespan. Starting tonight, protect your sleep like you protect your future, because your brain, your heart, your mood, your performance, and your longevity all depend on it. If this is your first time here, welcome. On this channel, I break down psychology and human performance in ways you can apply immediately. Subscribe, like, and share this with someone who thinks sleep is optional. Your future self will thank you.